I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know.
The following program has been issued by civil authorities. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. An unknown species has been detected in your area. The description of them are unknown, but as far as we know, they appear to have long, tentacle-like arms and are 90 feet tall, and they only appear at night, mostly between 8:30 p.m. to 6:50 a.m. For now, do not go outside for any reason unless for food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio for information. This has been activation of the emergency alert system.
Breaking news, everybody. 16 people have been found dead, along with 18 seriously injured and 24 people missing. We do not know who caused this incident. However, a black substance has been found on one of the bodies. We not know the origin of it. However, if you know what the substance is, contact 457-222-9080.
Stand by. This is a message from the emergency alert system. If you are listening to this message, get indoors now. The following message is transmitted by the request of the New Jersey Research Department. This is not a test. Repeat. This is not a test. The black substance that has been found in Albany on 8:10 p.m. Central Standard Time has been proven to be a continuous parasite. The symptoms that are included are sudden twitching of the body, bleeding of the eyes, rapid fingernail growth, blackening of the skin, blackening of the eyes and fingernails, and a strong urge to cause violent destruction. If you or a loved one have one or more of these symptoms, dial 911 now. This has been the activation of the emergency alert system. Good luck, and may God bless America. And may God forgive us for our sins. Evacuation order requested by the President. Pay very close attention to this alert, as it will save your life. The following message is transmitted by the request of the President. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. If you're receiving this message, you're in danger. The beings that were first reported in Mickle, Idaho, has now spread into New Jersey. More information has now been given. The beings are 90 feet tall. They have large oval shaped heads, fully back eyes, tentacle-like arms, tentacle-like legs. They have fully back claws and have oval-shaped ears. The people that became missing back on Albany, New York, has been found dead with their entire bodies torn apart and crushed. If you still have time, evacuate the city of Glassboro now. Do not wait. Evacuate the city of Glassboro now. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio for extra information. This has been the creation of the emergency alert system.